Hey guys, I'm so excited to report that today I'm going to be flying home from Amsterdam in business class on KLM, and I'm super excited because lately when I've been traveling around the world, I've been just flying on points, of course, but always in economy because I've been trying to extend my points. But now I've decided to splurge and treat myself to a business class ticket. So right now I'm hanging out in the business class lounge of KLM and waiting for my flight, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. Take a look. It has an outdoor deck and the food is amazing. Take a look. And when I come back on the plane, when I actually get on the plane, I will send you some more videos and show you how much fun it is. Hey guys, I'm now sitting on the plane in my business class seat on KLM, and I'm really excited to show you around and see what my seat looks like. So there's obviously a lot of room. You could put your legs completely up. I've gotten this little amenity bag that has a ton of goodies in it, and let me show you the rest of my seat. It's super spacious. There's room for my laptop, and then I put my headphones there. And then we have this really nice pillow, and of course I have water, but soon it's going to be champagne. And yes, so I'm really excited. Obviously, like I said before, the only drawback is that there's no Wi-Fi, but I'll make do, just watch TV for 8 hours and completely disconnect, which I'm looking forward to as well. So I'll talk to you guys soon.